Oh, dead.
Run, man.
Help.
What? What's going on?
Getting shot. Fucking shit, dude.
Behind you.
I'm gonna hang out in those little credits. I was gonna say this.
Actually, on phase 3, if you're not here, yo, if you die, I die, just so you know.
I know, I got nothing.
You might think you're useless, but you're actually the MVP here, so don't die.
Fucking doomed.
Tell me if things are coming for you.
They're always coming from me. It's the shooty boys, they're worse.
Go back in here. Alright, incoming.
What, is this Mickey now?
It's not phase 3.
I'm sweating so much, god damn it.
I'm quite chill, you know, just chilling right now. Having a good time and flying around.
My mouse is just gonna be flying across the room. It's like, sweating I am.
No die. Watch out, I'm dead. Let's die.
I'm dead.
You need to stay alive, man.
You got me in the sky. Don't know how.
To resurrect now.
You got this.
That's not good.
-1 health when I died, by the way. Fucking lame shit.
I don't think it's just like... Or accurate, more like...
Wait, if it's over. Oh, again. Don't want to be that close to you. Oh, here we go. Look at this shit. Don't get shoot your rockets off. You got this, dude. Fucking guy. Where's the countdown? Okay, cool. Get the fuck out of there, dude. End this fucking game. If you fucking die on the way home, shit, I'm fine.
It's possible.
I know, you just took a fucking smack them.
I know.
Oh, shit.
I'm still within the one-shot protection shit.
You get voided away, that'd be fucking great.
I'll laugh my ass off. More
Void
speed.
Troopers, they didn't even listen to your one shot, they'll just fucking have you.
Hell.
Do you believe? Nice. Oh.
Hell yeah! We must go again.
I think that I may have helped the game by dying.
Oh.
Because he didn't suck in my fucking bot shot.
He didn't?
No, because I was dead. He had no power-ups to suck in, did he?
Maybe went over and sucked your corpse. Hey.
Seen it. Oi. Seen it.
You did it. You helped by dying. Nah, man. What's it say?
It says, and so he left with a new tale to tell.
With what?
A new tale to tell.
Oh.